everybody, Gina DeLuca here. I will be having an auction on Sunday, March 22nd, 2026 at 7 p.m. Eastern. And I'm going to show you some of the pieces that you're going to be able to bid on during this auction, which will be live here on the tube of you, right here on my channel. And yeah, so let's get this party started. This is a 14 by 14 canvas. This has the liquid mirror in it, that Tri-Art liquid mirror, which the flash on this is so super cool. I will be adding a couple more layers of varnish on these pours, but you can see already the shimmer on that, how cool that is. This piece is titled Land of Fire and Ice. And again, this is a 14 by 14. This is another 14 by 14 titled Vulcan Lagoon. This one has a very cool glow, that blue against that deep magenta. I believe that was the Caput Mortem color. And this also has the liquid mirror in it. There's a lot of pieces with the liquid mirror in this batch of auction items. Got some great 3D action going, some really cool flash from the liquid mirror. You can see it like in between some of the cells there. Very cool. Again, this one is titled Vulcan Lagoon. This is another 14 by 14 titled Apparition. This is the pearl paints from Amsterdam, a chameleon cell, stretch chameleon cells. But those pearl paints, they are so cool. It looks like an oil slick, which was an effect I have been trying to get for quite some time. So now I know how to make that happen. Again, this is a 14 by 14 titled Apparition. This is a 14-inch round canvas titled Candyland. Got a great glowing spiral in there. I love how that yellow is popping through, making it look like it glows. Really good spiral on this piece. Again, this is a 14-inch round titled Candyland. This is a 14 by 14 titled Arctic Lights. It reminded me of Northern Lights and Aurora Borealis, if I can kind of make it so you can see the cool stuff that's happening in here. Really pretty flashes of color, depending on the angle. Some color shift. The liquid mirror doing what it does, which is mega bling. Again, this is a 14 by 14 titled Arctic Lights. This is another 14 by 14 titled Good Day Sunshine. It is very sunshiny. The way that liquid mirror is doing what it does in that center. Really making this piece just glow. And you can see the flashes of the liquid mirror. The camera never really does justice to the colors and the flash and the bling. I love that liquid mirror. How cool that looks. That looks like it's lit. So pretty. 14 by 14, titled Good Day Sunshine. This one is a 14 by 14 titled Kraken, because that looks just like an octopus tentacle to me. Super cool. And got that liquid mirror going on in there. If I can get the right angle so you can really see it. It's so hard to capture the bling, but there's lots of this little piggy pigments going on in here, along with that liquid mirror, giving it some really beautiful but still subtle sparkle. It's not very in your face, but it gives it a lot of depth and certainly interest. Even though this piece is pretty much all metallics, it's still kind of subtle. Love that liquid mirror, how 3D it makes these cells look. That is just super cool to me. Yes, indeedly do. 14 by 14, titled Kraken. This one is titled Cosmic Chameleon. It is a 12-inch round, and it is blacklight reactive. Very cool cells going on here. Very jellyfish kind of vibe on these cells. And here's a shot of how it looks under a black light. Again, this is a 12-inch round titled Cosmic Chameleon. Alright, also going to have some jewelry in the mix. This piece, you can see this is a sizable piece. This is abalone. It's super cool. Lots of flash. Lots of depth. It looks very bumpy, but it's actually very smooth. Definitely a statement piece. It's got a rainbow of colors going on in there. This piece is called Charoite, and the last I heard, this was only found in one mine. I'll have to see if that is still the case, but it's a really neat stone. It has a lot of depth to it. You can see that. That's called Charoite. And then we have some dragon, pink dragon agate. You can see why it is titled that. Very cool patterning going on there. This is titanium coated druzy. So that's an agate, and it has the crystals going on there, as you can see. Very pretty when it flashes the light. And this is one of my favorites. This is Labradorite. Absolutely gorgeous flash on this one, with the deep blue and the green and the yellow and some orange popping through on that. This is one of my favorite Labradorite stones that have come through my hands. It is super, super flashy. And Labradorite is one of my favorite stones. I love it. I love the flash of Labradorite. You get lots of colors popping through. Really beautiful flash. And this piece, you can see really beautiful blue flash. Sometimes it's really hard to just get the angle just right so you can see all of the colors that happen. That kind of shows it a bit. Depending on like what angle the light source is coming from. This is Dalmatian Jasper, and as you can see, it's a bear. So if you have a bear lover in your life, or if you are a bear lover, that's a pretty cool stone. Another piece of Labradorite. Beautiful flash. More delicate in size. This is a smaller piece. And more Labradorite. We have a beautiful heart. Very flashy. And an oval. Lots of flash on this one too. Those are some of the jewelry pieces that will be available for auction. Stay tuned for the lino prints and watercolors. All right, here are some of the lino prints that will be up for auction. This is not a stencil, this is carved and then printed by hand. Got John Lennon, got Kurt Cobain. And we've got some Janis Joplin. See if you can see the colors here. This is like a red into a bluish, more purple indigo kind of color. And some Stevie Nicks. And we have Joni Mitchell and the purple one, Prince. I do have these available in other colors. I can custom make colors for you in the lino print. It's a lino print. Haha. Bad puns. But those are some of the lino prints that will be available. And I've got some watercolors here. Got some kind of tie-dye effect, some shimmery pigments. So these are the selling at the store at the booth price. That will not be the starting price. We also have this watercolor rainbow. And we also have some Zodiac watercolors. Very nebula-ish going on there. I do have all of the zodiac signs but I probably won't be auctioning all of the zodiac signs. But you can always reach out if you were interested. Hopefully you can see how cool that nebula looks. This requires a lot of layers of watercolor. A lot of layers of watercolor. So there will be a few of those. Here we have a 10 by 20 acrylic pour titled Frozen Foss, which is Icelandic for waterfall, foss, F-O-S-S. I kind of see it hanging vertically, but it's harder to show that to you on this format, this aspect ratio. So you can turn your phone to see how it would look like a waterfall. But really pretty pigments going on in there. Got some of that, it's that antique copper, where it's like purple from some angles and then copper from other angles. And the liquid mirror, of course. Beautiful. Beautiful flash on that liquid mirror. It's hard to show how that shifts from purple to copper, but it's super cool. This one's 10 by 20, titled Frozen Foss. All right, this is another 14 by 14, titled Fairy Pool. Liquid mirror, this little piggy pigments, color shifting pigments. This piece is really super pretty and very 3D effect going on in these boulder cells. I just love how that naturally happens. It would take me a long time to try to make something look that organic and 3D at the same time. With a brush. Very cool. Again, this one is called, what was it? Fairy Pond? Fairy Pool. Fairy Pool. This one's called Fairy Pool. All right, that is it for this showcase. There might be some other pieces that will wind up in the auction as well. But that's it for today. And I hope to see you at the auction Sunday, March 22nd, 7 p.m. Eastern, right here on the Tube of You. That's it for me for today. Yeah. Go make some art.